Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a community in WhatsApp. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our WhatsApp, and after opening our WhatsApp, all we have to do is to go here on the bottom and then click Communities. After clicking Communities, you will be able to see this new community button right here. All you have to do is to click it, and after clicking, just click Get Started. And then after that, you will be asked to put your community name. I will name this as Example. And after that, you can also change the description of your community, but I will leave it as it is. And after that, just click this button right here that is located on the bottom right corner. After that, it will now be created, and as you can see, your community is now created. So if you go back right here, go here on the chats, you will see the community which we named Example is already created. So if you click right there and then click this one, you will now be able to send messages and add members. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.